Welcome back. This is the second last or last video from China. We are going to sign out. Before we sign out, thank you very much for being with us all the time. Thank you and thanks a lot for acknowledging our endeavor. Today we are going to talk about Fireplace. Fireplaces traditionally were little fume emitting devices or places for provisions. Now they are available in electronic form. They are safe, secured, and of course they look traditionally very good. Let us explore the market and we'll show you some of the units. Today we're going to talk about a product that is very important. We are talking about these kind of fireplaces. These 5 unit actually, as a fireplace is a composition of 2 products. It's the entire fireplace and also the lighting system. Traditionally it used to be the wood log, and a lot of fumes and dust and carbon monoxide was being produced during the process of using this as a heating system. Also, it looks visually very nice. Over the period of time, because of the deforestation and other reasons, and of course the high maintenance, because real fireplace is a very high maintenance product, so it has brought down to the electronic level, and technological advancement has brought it to a level where you can actually have it in your place without causing any kind of pollutant or any kind of distortion to your house. For example, you have the decor items in place. You don't have to install a long size air emission chimneys and other that jazz. So you can have these kind of electronic products. They are available in different sizes and shapes. Now talking about 2 parts. First is the fireplace and then the installation of this electronic part. This can be installed in your fireplace, or you can order the entire fireplace. This particular place is selling these kind of media units as well. In case you do not have a fireplace, still you want to enjoy this visual treat for your eyes, you can use them in your media units. So, media units and fireplaces. These are the 2 ways of doing it. Solo, they don't look as good as they are supposed to be, because they need to have a cover around it. So you can create this. There are 2 reasons why fireplaces are important. First of all, of course, because visually it looks very nice. It gives you a visual warmth. It creates kind of romanticism in the bedroom in case you are doing it, or in the drawing room. It creates a visual comfort. Also, they are available in lot of versions, like one is with heat, other one is without heating system. When there is a heating system, this can be used as a thermal system as well, and this can warm up your place as well. If you're using a media unit, then you have to get them in place. They have to be properly installed according to the size and shape of your media unit. And if it is in a fireplace, you can always go for the vertical shape one. These are the little and the long shape one, in the very sleek and long from right to left or left to right. Alright, so this company is producing these units, and they are coming in different shapes. Like log size is always different. If you look at the log size is different. It can be a thick log or it can be short logs. Also, they have invented a new idea that's called the readjustment of flames. You can actually make the flames a little bigger and shorter according to your taste and liking, according to your lighting. And the best part is, it not only looks amazing but also creates a very nice light lamp work. So you can install this. So in case you are planning to install these kind of fireplaces, you have to be very sure that it is properly installed, properly guarded, and it is safe and secure. A lot of people have been asking me, are these units safe? Like for example, this has got classical theme, and this has got typical arches of classical arches, and Corinthums are around, and this has got music system in place. You can tune into a music system. There are 2 speakers. You can play music. Also, this side, the classical side, is looking very nice. So either you can buy media unit, you can buy entire fireplace, you can buy only the unit part and get this installation. I personally believe this safe and secured. You can buy it, and it's pest free and safe for kids as well, because it does not get it does not become hot. So you can be rest assured that this can be safe for kids as well. So in case you want to place the order, you can call on the number given on the screen. That's the end of the video. We'll see you very soon with more video. Take care and thank you very much.